Don't do this on a cruise ship, warns Lucy's viral story aboard the Oceanic Voyager. Intrigued by legends of a haunted deck, Lucy ventured out one foggy night to live stream her ghost hunt. As shadows moved and whispers echoed, her feed suddenly cut to static, just after viewers spotted a figure in a captain's uniform behind her. When the stream resumed, a shaken Lucy claimed she'd encountered the ship's ghostly captain. Found by security, her adventure sparked a frenzy online and tightened ship safety rules against restricted areas. Would you brave the haunted deck? Comment your thoughts below and like if you love ghostly tales.